Hello everyone, welcome on behalf of the British Origami Society to another instructional video. Today we're going to show you how to fold this rather nice paper plane. This is designed by Joseph Russell for a NHS blood and transplant campaign. It has a heart, a nice colour change at the front of the model. The plane flies really nicely and the heart symbolises the gift of life, organ donation. So, let's get folding. To make this model, you'll need a sheet of A4 paper. Regular A4 paper is fine. Ideally, you want something that is a different colour on one side. I've got a nice pink colour. And diagrams for this model are available on the British Origami Society website. If you are stuck with the diagrams, this is a nice way to just get a clue, or you can just fold from the video. Let's get started. We're going to begin by folding the paper in half. I want to take this edge here right up to the top. Now, turn your paper. We're going to fold one of the corners up to the top edge. So take the left-hand corner, fold it up. Everything on this plane is symmetrical, so we're going to turn over, fold up the corner again. And unfold. I'm now going to fold this diagonal edge up to the centre line. When I do this, I pop the paper out from underneath. Now, I turn my paper, repeat on the other side. You now have a nice white square at this end and a big white section here. Turn your paper over, top to bottom. Now I want to take this edge and fold it up to the centre crease. And I'm only going to fold a small pinch. I don't want to go right the way along the model. Like so. Turn your paper again and repeat, this time taking this edge up to the centre line. Just a pinch. Now I'm going to take this edge and fold it up to the pinch that we made a moment ago. This time I'm going to crease right the way along the model. Like so. Unfold Turn your paper and repeat. Take this bottom edge all the way up to this pinch mark and crease right the way across the model. Unfold. Turn your paper over. Now we want to narrow the nose. I'm going to take this edge, fold it up to the centre line. Like so. Turn your paper, this edge up to the centre line. Unfold both these sections. Back to the white square. Now I want to make a crease. I'm going to take this long coloured diagonal line here and fold it up to this edge. I'm only going to crease as far as the centre line, so my crease will run from the point of this coloured section right up to the centre of the model. Stop creasing here at the centre. Unfold. Turn your paper. Repeat that move. This diagonal edge up to this raw edge here, only creasing as far as the centre line. Good strong creases, please. We're going to reverse this crease that we've just made and tuck inside, and we make a new crease. The new crease joins this point here where the crease we've just made hits the centre with this point where this diagonal meets the coloured section at the edge. We can see where this is because we've got a crease line here too. So as we're folding, we can use this crease line as our reference. Reverse. Make a new crease when you're sure you're in the right place. Flatten the new crease. Repeat. show you the inside of the model so you can see. That step is complete. Now we're going to look at this shape we've just made here. We can fold this on the existing crease line like so. Notice this doesn't go right to the corner. We've got a little flat edge here, which is the same at the top. Unfold and fold. The tip here up to where these creases join. I have a crease here, a crease here. And repeat. Unfold this flap. Fold it up to that intersection. And now, using the crease we made earlier, we fold this flap back over. And the same on the other side. Turn your paper so the long diagonal section of the plane faces towards you. Now we're going to make a strong crease. We open this layer. Be careful, don't tear the paper. And this is to shape the heart. So we want the crease to come something like this. Make it a really strong crease. If you have a folding tool and you want to use that to press this crease strongly, that's a good idea. Do the same on the opposite side. We can even make this crease stronger by pressing a mountain fold, just gently. Don't tear the paper. And now we're going to inside reverse fold this crease. To do this, we lift the paper up, find this V shape, carefully reverse inside using the creases you already made. So on the inside it looks like this. Repeat that. Open the layer, reverse. Like so. The heart shape is nearly complete. We just need to shape here and here. Make a small valley fold. Like so. Match it on the opposite side. Mountain fold behind. Now we have our heart shape. Turn the paper over. We're going to put in this crease we already made. This time, you're folding through some new layers near the front of the plane where you just made the heart. Crease this well. And now, we take this straight edge and fold it. Fold to this pinch line. I'm going to turn my paper so it's easier to fold away from me. This edge up to this pinch that we made earlier. And fold right to the front edge of the wing. Now I'm going to repeat that. Unfold. Fold down the wing, putting the crease through all these layers. Fold up to the pinch you made earlier. And now, we just need to refold the other wing to make the plane complete. Have the model face up. Make the long crease along the middle and shape the wings. To fly well, they need to be the same, and we're looking for a shape like this. Thank you for folding with us today. Hope you enjoyed the model. Big thanks to Joseph Russell for letting us make this video and for supporting the NHS with their fantastic campaign.